So Wear OS 4 has been finally announced by Google, and these are the features that are coming to next Wear OS. These features will be also coming to Galaxy Watch 4 and above with One UI 5 update later this year. First, Google has announced better battery life with Wear OS 4. They didn't discuss how much improvement is there, as it can vary from one device to another. But overall, Wear OS has been pretty power hungry, and now it seems that Google has finally addressed this problem, and Wear OS 4 will consume less power while still maintaining a smooth experience. Next, Google has finally ended a setting where users had to reset their watch while connecting it to a new phone. For example, here with Galaxy Watch 4, if I want to connect it to a new phone, I have to reset my watch, clearing all watch faces, settings and data. Finally, this issue has been fixed, and now users can pair their watch to a new phone without a factory reset. Google has announced WhatsApp for Wear OS that is coming later this year. WhatsApp is still available officially via beta program that you can check out via the link in description. For non-beta users, WhatsApp will be available with Wear OS 4. Further, for accessibility, Google has announced faster text-to-speech and other minor changes. We have to wait a bit more for the official update so we can check out what's exactly new with Wear OS 4. Also, Google didn't mention which smartwatches will be getting this update. As of now, it is confirmed that Galaxy Watch 4 and above will be getting this update with One UI 5. At the end, Google announced new changes to Samsung Watch Face Studio that you can use to design watch face without coding a single line. So if you have no coding experience at all, but you have awesome ideas for watch faces, now you can design them easily using this new Watch Face Studio. And that was all about Wear OS 4. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you never miss any update. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.